I was planning to take my bike out at night on some dark country roads around where I live to kind of do a before and after of the stock headlights versus the Hoglights. But it's been raining here in Virginia, especially at night, and so I'm not able to do that. So we're going to do a before and after test within my dark garage. All right, Shani, when I turn off the lights, you turn on the key. Okay. So after my shaky one-handed video, this is what the stock lights look like in my dark garage. We'll come back after the installation of the Hoglights and show you what it looks like with the new lights. We kind of neglected the first step of disconnecting the battery, so we're doing that now after removing the seat. Don't hit the ratchet on the bike, bud. Okay, it shouldn't take too much more than that. Okay, so now we just installed the first one, and I want to show the difference between the two headlights when they're still on the bike. So I'm going to step back and turn off the garage light, and when I do, my boy Shane is going to flip the switch or turn the ignition on my bike, and we'll get to see what it looks like, what the difference is between the two headlights. Much bluer glow from the Hoglights. Looks a lot more powerful. My fenders lit up a lot more. The light is actually getting down to the floor and lighting up a lot of more of the garage than the stock headlights did. And look at the beam. You can see the beam from the LEDs much better than you can see the beam from the stock headlights. So Shane really wants to show you high beam versus low beam. So there's high beam and there's low beam. All right, so we'll come back. Shane's going to install the other one for me so you guys can see how easy it is. It really is plug and play. These are probably one of the easiest modifications I've done to this bike. So here we are, we're getting ready to do the next light, and my 12-year-old son Shane is going to do most of the work to show you how easy it is to replace your stock headlights on your Thunderbird or Thunderbird Storm with Hoglights, LED Hoglights out of Australia. First step, as I choke and block my light, is to undo the screw that holds in the ring that holds in the headlight bulb. So Shane's going to use a Phillips screwdriver to get to that. We'll be back once we pull off that ring. All right, Shane has pulled the screw out, so now it's time to pry the ring off the headlight assembly. Go ahead, Shane. Just work it all the way around. There you go. Be careful and hold the bulb. Okay, pull the ring away. Not the front ring. Yep. Okay, I'll take hold of the bulb. All right. Now I put that up on the bench so we don't step on it. So when you pull the ring off, this is what you get when you start to pull the headlight assembly out of the bowl. The Hoglight will be a plug and play. It'll plug into this plug here, and where the bulb is in this socket right here, it'll also plug there. You also have this ring that needs to be fit back inside the bowl, so don't forget to put that back on before you wire up the Hoglight. So here are the connections that exist in the bowl, and these will plug right up into the Hoglight's headlamp. You can see the plugs on the Hoglights bulb are and what they look like and how they're going to plug right up into the OEM plug that's in the bowl for the headlight. So on this ring, there are two little tabs. There's one here and one over here, and there's slots for those tabs. One right there and one right here. Okay, so Shane is going to line up the tabs with the slots in the bowl and install that ring. First he pulls the wires through. There you go. There you go. Okay, now snap that ring into place and hold that. I'll hold that there. Now he's carefully getting the Hoglight. He's bringing it up. You're gonna put it on your lap and see if that wire will come to you so you can plug it in. The way this plug should go in, that little metal wire there should fit in like the left side of the wire socket. Go ahead and plug that in, Shane. If it's going in hard, it's not going in the right way. It should just slide right in. There you go. Good job. So now you just plug in, just like it's almost like a light socket. Okay. Now feed your wiring into the bowl. And we want to make sure that the light is lined up so the wording on the light is at the bottom, and then we want to make it level with the other light. See how the wording is on the other light, Shane? Turn the bulb until it's lined up. I think you need to go a little bit more towards you, clockwise. Clockwise, that's counterclockwise. There you go.
So towards me, clockwise.
Okay, so there, I'm gonna hold the bulb there, and Shane's gonna go get the ring.
Hoglights.
Nice. Hit the high beams.